she wants love too.
Yeah, everybody wants love. Alright, so I'm getting ready to fry some potatoes here. Just picked Olivia up from school, and she's hungry. Said she wanted something good, so what, you know, you don't beat fried potatoes, that's it. Do you want onions in them?
No.
She's crazy. You gotta put onions in fried potatoes. Now, depending on how big the potatoes are, you see that I cut that one in half and done it. And I'm frying them in my trusty iron skillet. I'm so tired. This is going to be night 3, 12-hour night shift. Look at that. See, I'm going to cut that one in half. And I have had, like, very little sleep. My dogs were off the chain, thinking they were going to go with me. I had to pick Olivia up from... She's in some type of, like, peer group. I don't know what it is. She's joined so much lately. But I had to pick her up. Had to get a shower before I got ready for work. Before I got ready to go pick her up, because I got to be back at work again in a couple hours. Got my potato. Look at them. Look at them 2 dogs. Look at them. They acting a little crazy today. Aren't you? Little crazy. Watch at them. Watch out. They know Mama mad at them. I love my babies, though. Let's get a glimpse of Boots. Come here, Boots. My big fat girl. She's getting a new friend tomorrow. We're going to pick up another kid. Alright. In my pan here. This is not a cooking video. This is just a vlog, so I'm just showing you what I do when I make fried potatoes. I put in my pan here a little bit of bacon grease and some just vegetable oil. You gotta fry potatoes in bacon grease. That's all there is to it. I mean, if you want some really good flavors, you've got to use the bacon grease. But anyway, what I was telling you, we're getting a new friend tomorrow. Sophie. We're gonna name her Sophie, I think. I don't know. I haven't really decided what we're gonna name her. Sorry about the lighting. But I think she's about 12, 13 weeks old. She's another cat. Just what I need, another cat. Alright, I've got this on about medium, slightly higher than medium, because I want my potatoes to get a nice crispy searing on them. So I'm just going to go ahead and add them in there. Normally I like to let it get a little bit hotter than that, but I ain't got time for that. I gotta get ready for work. That's why you ain't gonna see me right now. I'm getting ready for work here soon. And you know what I like to put on it? Not only do I put, I started to put just regular salt on it. Did you see me getting all confused here, what I normally do? I put onion salt on mine, not regular salt. It makes them so good. And then lots of black pepper. I need to get some more pepper for my pepper mill. Yummy and yummy. I love fried potatoes. Look at that, lots of pepper. Get a good look at that. Look at that. Who don't love fried potatoes? I love fried potatoes. We're gonna just let these go for about 3 or 4 minutes till they start getting nice and crispy underneath. Yeah, let's not disturb them. We gotta leave them alone for a minute. And loose them up underneath that. Ooh, about to loose a tater. Oh my God, these smell amazing. Also got her a couple hot dogs in the microwave. Easy dinner. Fried potatoes and hot dogs. Alright, let's flip them over and see what they look like. Look at that. Starting to get nice and crispy. I don't like my potatoes all the way done. I like them to still have a nice little bite to them, you know? I don't like them soggy. I don't like any of my vegetables soggy. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna have to sneak one. beautiful. Hot. Yeah, hot. Mmm. One more salt. Oh, good. All right, look at those beautiful, beautiful potatoes. I've turned them off because, like I said, I don't like them. I like them to still be a little bit crispy. I'm going to sit there while her hot dogs cook in the microwave, and this is what I'm packing my lunch as well. I told you guys I had something big that I wanted to talk to you about, big announcement, whatever. I'm really trying to watch what I eat, so, and I'll do another whole vlog on that. But I'm taking me some mixed vegetables here. I can't do that low carb stuff. I just can't. I gotta have food, real food. But I'll go into that on my next sit down vlog. So, but anyway, I'm getting tongue twisted here. Like I said, she wants sour cream on her tater. Oh, look how nice and crispy. Beautiful. So she's, I'll just pile her plate up there. I love fried potatoes. I fry them just the way my mom fries them. Look at that, they're falling. When they fall, I've been eating them off the stove. She's hungry, so we're gonna give her all of them. What she don't eat, she can toss. She's a pretty hungry girl. Well, that's a little too many. I gotta have one. Oh, look at that. Hot. Oh, God, hot. Push it back. Mmm. Look at that. Sorry about the lighting. It's dark in here. I need to bring my studio lights out. Let's do a little dollop of sour cream. We're going too close, aren't we? Actually, I need to get my light underneath my stove fixed. Listen to them. There is so much stuff that needs fixed in this house. Oh, look at that. Look at that, my friends. She's... They're barking at the neighbors. And we're going to add... Guys! Sorry about that. Okay, so she said she wanted something good to eat, so that's kind of like a childhood favorite of hers. I used to fix green beans as well. On some days I'd fix like hot dogs. She likes them cut up though with mustard. That's all the mustard we have. We are out. She's gonna have to just use a little bit. Fried potatoes and green beans. Look, who wants a bite? Guess who don't get a bite? Yum. Anyway, this is a short video. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Give me a thumbs up if you don't. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see you next time. Bye.